because of this smoothness, it can be problematic. You can see that it just, the cards can move around in here almost too easily. This is what we have going on today. Really, that's not what we have going on today. But you know what? We'll see what that looks like. It's actually this right here. That's right, this. This is the Ridge Lite is what it's called. So let's open this up. Typical Ridge box. You know, it's not too bad. Here's a slim wallet. Look, we've got a nice little intro top. You know, something good to look at. Gives us a nice sticker. Now look, the thing about Ridge that I really like is that they're always giving us all the equipment we need. We got a screwdriver, we have an extra elastic, and there's some screws down here which correspond with maintenance that you can maintain on this, which is really quite nice. So what we have in here is a sacrificial card, and this is it. Look, I mean, honestly, is this kind of like this? Well, it is, but there's more to this. What is kind of fun is I wonder how far this would skip on the water. You know, you kind of just throw it like that and see. I don't know. Anyway, let's look at what this is. So right here, this is, well, it's a fancy rubber band, more or less, but it has a capacity up to 8 different cards, but we lose the RFID protection as part of what goes on here. So what else is there? Well, that's it. It's kind of maintains the cards. Now it does measure 2.2 by 1.8 by 0.3. And weighs 32 grams or 1.1 ounce. Now don't blink, you might miss the card not cash insertion test. Company recommends up to 8 cards without stretching out this elastic that we have right here. Now they even guarantee it with a lifetime warranty on top of that, so it's really not bad, and you have a 99-day risk-free trial. By way of quality, this is designed in the United States and it's made in China. It's made of a 6061 T6 A1 aluminum that's powder coated in this nice base cap orange that we have. And the construction follows other Ridge products, the screws holding the interior or exterior to the interior components, as well as we have this elastic that goes through channels all the way around. Now, asking price as of this recording is $65, which is, yeah, well, sorry about that. I'm still recovering from the price that we just talked about. Anyway, we do have a quality made product here, so let's see how it operates in practice. Now this is simple enough to slide. We can see how it goes from here to here, and if you haven't picked up on it yet, which is hard not to do, we can see that these cards are exposed. Well, when they're exposed, that means that they're going to get mauled in your pocket with all the other things. So you're really then at sacrificial cards. Now you can get a twofer here by getting an RFID card since, well, you don't have RFID anymore because you have exposure on both sides and the metal does not provide all that complete coverage. Now, like the original, the Ridge has intake openings and these grooves right here. You can see this real nicely. You can see how it curves in right there. And the inside metal is really slick, just like the other Ridge wallets. And so it has a good intake of the cards as they come in. And it is like a full version, except that it's not. But because of this smoothness, it can be problematic. You can see that it just, the cards can move around in here almost too easily. And, you know, that doesn't happen with elastic by any stretch. But I like the formal production version to an everyday rubber band that we have here. But at the current price and not being able to keep the cards somewhat secure from sliding around, it still has some room for improvement. So if you're trying to go ultra minimalist, this might appeal to you as it's a refinement of the rubber band concept. But, you know, we'll see how it goes. Now on to the final score. Quality of 5. Price of 1. It's worth maybe half the current price they're selling this at. Features of 3, does what it's supposed to do. Usability of 2, we've got some issues in there that still need to be worked out. And perception of 4. That still gives us a score of 3.1 out of 5. Now if you like this video, then watch this one next. And we'll see you in the next review. Goodbye.